My name's Adam Locke. I'm an associate professor at Michigan State University in the Department of Animal Science, ruminant dairy cow nutritionist with a research focus in lipid digestion, lipid metabolism in dairy cows. So I'm actually born and brought up on a dairy farm in the southwest of England in the county of Devon. We milked about 110 cows, my dad, and then I went away to university, did undergraduate and then PhD in dairy cow nutrition, and came over to the US as a postdoc at Cornell, and then in 2009 I ended up here at Michigan State. So my talk today is going to be focused on milk fat depression and why the bulk tank on dairy farms can suddenly drop from a 3.8 maybe down to a 3.4 or even lower sometimes, and what are the nutritional and management causes of that, and then importantly, two things: how can we maybe try and stop that from happening in the first place, but also then how can we try and troubleshoot or alleviate any low milk fat test issues. Yeah, so I think one of the key ones will be benchmarking. Can be aware of where do you think you should be at this time of the year. We have to accept the seasonality changes in milk components, but know where am I traditionally this time of year and where am I now, and if things are different and not so good, what are some of the things that have been happening in the diet, in my dietary changes or management of the cows the last week or so that may be pinpointing some challenges that you may have. And then we will also be talking about what can we maybe do to some different choices that we can for feeding the cows and maybe trying to maintain a higher milk fat.